to the channel. How are you? So guys, do you think to perform bare chords are difficult? If so, stick around because I have an amazing tip for you. So let's get started. So guys, basically bare chords are shapes where you have to hold down all the strings with just one finger. And hold down all the strings is tough because there's lots of tension, and playing these chords closer to the headstock is even more complicated because the strings are tighter and the frets are more spread out. So guys, my tip is to handle it, try to press uh, your elbow on the body of your guitar like this and transfer all the weight to the neck, alleviating this muscle here on your hand, making it easier to play the bare chords all over the neck. Okay guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it and it helps you. If so, please give me a thumbs up and consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already, because that's great for me and I really appreciate your support, guys. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching, and remember to want me to succeed. Keep safe, mind the gap, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.